The Missing Truck, written by Connor Murray. One day, Ryan was sent to Knapford Yard. Ryan is a very kind engine. Sometimes other engines can take advantage of this. Today was not one of those days until, "Oh, Ryan, can you stay in the yard? Will I go get refueled?" "Of course, Emily," said Ryan. And Duck wondered where Ryan was. "He's supposed to be on our branch line." "Probably lost," said Oliver. Ryan was shunting trucks. He had a long line. Duck came. "Ryan, you're still here. You're supposed to be back on my branch line." "Oh, sorry, Duck." When Emily got back, "There's a missing truck," she said. She went to find Ryan. "Ryan's hard at work and coming to Arsborough at 10:15, Emily." "Thank you, Duck." "Where's Ryan? He's late," said Emily. "He was coming in with his goods train." "Steady, Mr. Ryan. We had to deal with some troublesome sheep, we did." "It was a real havoc," said Ryan. "What's even more of a havoc is one of my trucks is missing. Can you please help me find it?" "I'm not sure if the branch line engines will like my absence to help you again, Emily." Toad had an idea. "The truck could be causing trouble." "Oh, then all must go at once." Emily and Ryan set off to find the missing truck. "Oliver, could you take those trucks back to the shunting yard?" said Ryan. "Of course." Emily and Ryan searched all over Knapford Yard for the missing truck. "Where is it?" said Emily. "I can't find it," said Ryan. "If it's not in Knapford Yard, maybe it's gone to Wellsworth," Emily said. They searched to Wellsworth, but no avail. They were searching at Vickerstown when they saw Paxton. "It's a mystery. You two are special agents. Special Agent Emily and Special Agent Ryan." "That's all very well and good, but can you help us find the truck?" said Ryan. Paxton didn't know where it was either. Emily thought of all the trains that were supposed to leave Knapford Station. There was one to Tidmouth. There was one to Wellsworth. They'd already checked Wellsworth, so they went to check Tidmouth. Ryan left to do some work on the branch line. Emily puffed to Tidmouth sheds. A truck was sitting by the sheds. "I must have brought it here all along." But just then Duck and Ryan puffed it. "Missing truck! Missing truck!" said Duck. "Oh, I found it. I must have brought it here the whole time," said Emily. "Then I guess we best get back to work. Come on, Duck." "Right you are. Silly Emily." "Oh, I feel very silly," said Emily. That's the end.